Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your bank statements in PDF from Ally Bank step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Ally Bank website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on your dashboard. Click on Accounts to see your various accounts listed. Select the account for which you want to back up bank statements. Look for the Statements and Documents section on the account page. Click on Statements and Documents to access your past statements. You will see a list of available statements organized by date. Choose the statement you wish to download by clicking on its link. In the pop-up that appears, select the option to download the statement. Ensure to select PDF as your preferred file format for the download. Click the Download button to save the statement to your device. The PDF will now begin downloading to your default download location. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded PDF to ensure it contains the correct statement. If desired, rename the PDF file for easier identification later. Repeat these steps for any additional statements you wish to back up. That concludes the process for backing up your bank statements from Ally Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.